मिलते हैं दूसरे एसओसी से।
I have already given the interview.
आप ऑलरेडी दे चुके हैं, तो आपने पिछले इंटरव्यू में क्या बोला था?
I'm not here. I'm not like a tape recorder or something so that I can rewind my whole interview. Obviously,
Okay.
for sure, I'm not going to do that.
ओके, तो अब इस बार हम आपसे कुछ अलग सुनना चाहेंगे।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल।
हाँ जी, टेक्नोविजन के बारे में आपके विचार।
वही मैं बता चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी टेक्नोविजन के बारे में विचार। वी हैव बीन वर्किंग फ्रॉम पास्ट 1 month really hard since it's a golden jubilee year. So we are planning that this year's Technovision would going to be the biggest ever technical festival in this whole country. We are basically trying to do that and let's see what happens.
आपने क्या ऐसा नया किया है कि हम कहें कि हाँ ये टेक्नोविजन पिछले टेक्नोविजन से अच्छा होगा?
Before this year, we are not even having any sort of collaboration with any of the websites or the kind of people who organize events on behalf of our college. This time I have tried out something different and I have taken the initiative. This year Test Funda would going to conduct an online quiz for our college. They will be distributing the prizes for our college also, and they are going to send the banners and posters for the same. I am just now checking that every computer should be equipped with the necessary requirements which are required for having the online quiz at this place comfortably and establishmentally.
Okay, so this work is done by you. So what the work has been done by other associates? What kind of work they have done?
Look, we have divided the work. I mean, I'm basically looking forward for paper presentation and Test Funda online quiz. As far as other people are concerned, they have taken up their remaining work. Like 2 or 3 people are working for robotics competition, 2 people are working for circuit designing, 1 or 2 are working for face painting. It's like a parallel processing kind of thing, because if we do parallel processing and multitasking as far as technical concepts are concerned, we would be able to increase our efficiency to the maximum level.
Okay, if these works are done by associates, then what is the work of committees?
It is not like the work done, the whole responsibility is basically concerned with SOCs. We are basically organizing the whole event. Apart from that, we are only 16 people. We cannot take the initiative for each and everything. Since we have taken it, but for the completion of the same, we need some other people to do the rest of the work. That's why we basically form committees so that rest of the things can be taken care by them.
Okay, I have came to know that he is also an associate.
Yeah.
So what kind of work he has been assigned?
He has been monitoring that what other SOCs are doing as far as he is concerned.
Okay, so he is the associate of SOC. Okay, congratulations, buddy. You have got good success.